Have you ever felt that a Brazilian wax leaves more behind than smooth skin? The real recovery begins beneath the surface. When hair is removed, the skin experiences a controlled micro-injury. Understanding this is crucial for achieving healthy skin. Post-waxing, your body activates the inflammatory response. Blood flow increases, immune cells protect the area, and the skin barrier adapts. This response is a natural part of healing. However, how you support that recovery makes a significant difference. Undergoing repeated waxing cycles creates patterns of injury and repair. Effective recovery leads to stronger, resilient skin. Ignoring care can lead to subtle irritation. This highlights the importance of modern post-wax protocols. Traditional aftercare primarily focuses on surface comfort. While oils may ease friction and gels calm dryness, they don't fully address healing. Effective recovery requires energy from your skin's mitochondria. And this is where red light therapy comes into play. It utilizes specific wavelengths between 630 and 660 nanometers. Unlike UV light, it penetrates the skin without heat damage. Red light interacts with cytochrome C oxidase in mitochondria, boosting ATP production. More ATP means enhanced cellular energy, leading to improved repair processes. This includes the activity of fibroblasts, which produce collagen and elastin. Crucially, recovery strategies shape your skin's long-term adaptation. In premium markets like the US and UK, post-wax care is evolving. High-end studios now combine red light therapy with traditional post-wax methods. The protocol is structured and intentional. First, cleansing the area with supportive formulations is essential. Then, a lightweight serum is applied to nourish the skin. Finally, a certified red light device is used for 8-12 minutes. Energy output is controlled to enhance repair without immediate expectations. The aim is to support your skin's natural systems. When done correctly, this approach leads to balanced skin texture and calmer recovery. Individual results vary based on skin type and waxing frequency. Remember, this is about professional wellness, not medical treatment. This new understanding transforms waxing into a structured skin maintenance cycle. Your appearance may improve right away, but resilient skin takes time. Red light therapy isn't magic, it's a supportive tool. The modern beauty standard is about informed support, not just intensity. As you care for your skin, think about its structure and health. This is why intelligent recovery matters after every waxing session. So, are you ready to enhance your post-wax routine with red light therapy? Try integrating it into your recovery process for smoother, healthier skin. Your skin deserves it.